It's a 30-incher, you guys. Seriously, right here, right now. Get it up, Nate. Fun. It could be a burbot or a nice walleye.
Or here. Walleye.
Oh, that's a decent walleye.
It's not.
It's not like a giant, but it's decent. It's a 30-incher, you guys. Seriously, right here, right now. Get it up, Nate. Hey, there we go. Hey, it's got two sides. It's a good eater. Nathan, the walleye on the tip up. Shiner, huh?
Yep. Hold on.
We found the walleye spot.
Oh my god, I can't hold it.
But he's gonna be eaten. Isn't that correct, Nathan? Oh god, yeah. What a gorgeous eye.
Look, it's sticking out of his mouth.
That's awesome. Okay.